Hello and welcome. My name is Rex Jones II. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you subscribe to YouTube, make sure to click the bell icon to get notification of each video. In this video, we are going to look at the difference between Selenium's findElement and findElements method. Before the demo, let's investigate both methods. The findElement method finds one web element on a page. If there's more than one web element, then the findElements method will find the first web element matching the locator's value. The findElements method finds all of the web elements within the page, matching the locator's value. Selenium returns a no such element exception if our test script does not return at least one web element. Both methods use by class as their locating mechanism for any one of the 8 locator types. The 8 locator types in alphabetical order are class name, CSS selector, ID, link text, name, partial link text, tag name, and XPath. Now, let's get into our demo using yahoo.com as our AUT. The menu bar will be our focus for showing the difference between findElement and findElements. Let's inspect the menu bar. And we want all 8 links. There's a few ways to find the elements, but let's use CSS selector's ancestor-child relationship. I'm going to use, div tag and ID attribute as the ancestor and the A tag as the child. Div hashtag MEGA BOTTOMBAR space A. And we see 8 results. Copy the value and go to Eclipse. I already have a set up and turn down method. Now let's find the difference between findElement and findElements. First is findElement, and we see web element is the data type. Do you see by within the parentheses? That's the parameter, which is a locating mechanism. By CSS selector. Paste the value. Then assign the element to web element Yahoo link. Import web element. Print the web element. Sysout findElement. Skip a line. Tab. Yahoo link dot get text. Next is findElements driver dot findElements, and it also has a web element data type, but it returns a list of all web elements. By CSS selector, paste the same value, then assign the list to list web element. Object reference is Yahoo links. Import the list. In order to get each element, we have to iterate each element using an enhanced for loop. For control space, Select for each, then change web element to temp Yahoo link. And print each Yahoo link. Sysout tab plus tmp Yahoo link dot get text. Also print before the loop. Sysout findElements. Let's run. Do you see how findElement only return one element, although there are 8 elements? It returned male, which is the first element. However, findElements return all 8 elements. That's the difference between findElement and findElements. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.